welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Beeville espresso machine, and I made a couple small adjustments to get the coffee to flow better, but overall it seems to be running good without really having to do much. All I did was I just changed the pre-infusion here to 6 seconds. It was at 12, which seemed kind of long to me. And then the grind setting was at 24, so I put it at 26. And let's go ahead and grind some coffee. Oh, and I also lengthened the shot time. So this coffee is a little on the older side, so we're not going to get great crema. But we have good flow. And we have a little bit over 2 ounces in 36 seconds, and we should deduct our pre-infusion time, so 30 seconds. So really, that's a good shot time. So everything seems to be running well to me. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. I'll tell the steam too. Nice strong steam.